Here we go. Another Sunday analysis. Here's what we want to happen. We've got a decline on the year US below 17.55. We want all sales. Our time frame is bearish, but on the 4-hour it is bullish. So again, we'll wait for the pivot at 1.168. Take sales at 1.175. And here's the hourly chart. The hourly was called last week on the 1st for some bullishness. Came up short for short term and then pulled back to our pivot. So it should be coming up again to our higher pivot, 1.168. Move on to odds U, odd US, and we got the same exact scenario. We got a bearish day, and a bullish 4-hour. So we're coming up to our pivot at 0.73, even as high as 0.75 to take a sell at the previous bearish zone, 0.735. And we're up on the hour and the 4-hour. So until we break that 4-hour trend line, we'll be bullish, taking sales at 0.734. Now for GU, Great British USD, same scenario, going up to 1.37 or as high as 1.39, and taking it back down to 1.34. We're above the whole of May, and we're crossing a trend line for a bullish 4-hour. Our previous sell position was at 1.38, so that's where we should take the next sell. And the chart looks different because 4-hour is extended from the left. So these green positions are previous bearish and bullish zones. So we could take an intraday buy, but we're going to wait for the sell at the higher time frame for the day. Here's gold with the same scenario at 1805 for the pivot. And we should be bearish at, well, we should be bearish now. But it looks like it's going to retest. Gold is going to retest this level at 17.4 and then continue to rise to 18.11. between 1803 and 1830. Okay, back down to the 1 hour, and we're in a decline. So like I said, we should be at this area right here, 17.5, and then bullish toward 1803, and sell from there. And the UJ, we gave rise, of course, we're at 109, so we're buying that. AJ is bearish for the rise at 78.6. So once this pivot is hit, we'll take a buy. And same for the year J. Looking at bearish price action before we take a rise. So we could sell EURUSD. Looks like it's going towards 126.5. Or we can buy the EURUSD at that point, like we did GJ, and take it back to our height of 133. So we're not going to be in the market for sctrcuture, but it's good to look at their rise. So we had this coning triangle shape pattern. We broke to the downside. Made a W formation and then broke back up. So we will continue to buy sctrcuture at 120. Currently in a buy for GJ. Going towards 153, 154.8. And steadily rising. We may get a pullback, but the 4 hour is bullish for the rise, and so is the 1 hour. So we're waiting on TP for the GJ. US 30 is bearish. US 30 is bullish for the day. And we're in a decline. So we're bullish for the day with a decline. That'll mean that we're going to wait for the pullback, take a buy at the previous zone for 33,760. We just had a buy alert for the day, so that means we closed above our daily zone, and that's a very high daily zone, so we'll wait for the 4 hour to confirm our pullback. We should get the same area right here between 33.7, 33.7, and 34.06. So that's U30, and that's all the pairs we will look for today. Thanks again.